nasty stuff from work.
Oh, okay. Oh, sweet. Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. This is Oscar. I'm gonna be taking over for today. We're gonna be doing some installs on Osmar's car. Be working on some of my car, showing you guys what's been happening. I know we've been gone for a minute. We haven't been uploading too many vlogs. We've just been uploading small montages. I hope you guys have been liking those as well, just to keep you guys content. So we're currently right now at AutoZone. We're gonna be picking up some things for Osmar's car, and then we'll see you back when we get to the pad.
You know the huge. What time is it, Oscar?
It's coffee time, guys.
Coffee time. If you know, you know.
Did you ever end up trying the spicy one, or you just kept getting the regular one?
No, yeah, I tried the spicy one. The spicy
better
one was
or
fire. Hell yeah.
Alright guys, so how Osmar was just talking about, we're going to be doing his lip install, and then after that, he also has some carbon fiber trim for his interior. Small cosmetics. I know it's nothing crazy. Some of you guys are going to be like, well, it's not really that big of an install, it's just a vinyl that's carbon fiber. But smaller cosmetics is what adds that extra luxurious look to the cars. I mean, he does have a BMW, so it's not going too classy, and he has a lot of carbon fiber accents on the exterior of his car. So for instance, he has his eyelids right there. He also has his trunk, his duckbill, which is this one here, and then he also has a window roof visor, I guess you call it, in carbon fiber. So he's doing a lot of carbon fiber. His car is like a grayish color, and it matches really good. So we're gonna be doing that as well after the lip install. The lip kind of did bend a little bit, so we have to leave it on the sun just for a second, just to let it mold back out. So we're probably gonna start the carbon fiber install in the meanwhile. So it was pretty neat actually, guys. So he ordered this online. I was saying the carbon fiber trims looks pretty good. Let's see if I can focus that. And it already comes pre-cut. So honestly, it's gonna be a pretty simple install. Just matching the components and then just slapping it on. Shouldn't be that hard. Quick update on the wrap, of the carbon fiber wrap on the doors, well, pretty much all the trim. We got the front done, we got the door panels done. I'll give you guys a quick look at it. I said it was not that hard, it's pre-cut, so it's kind of cool. There it goes. So that's pretty much all done. That's all tucked in, ready to go. Came out pretty good. I like the carbon. It looks pretty realistic for it being wrap. I've used wrap before, didn't really like the way it came out. So that's that. Let us know what you guys think in the comments. It's the first time we've ever done it. Oh, sorry, let me get some light. We had never done this before, but so far it's come out pretty good. Here in SoCal today, we're having like mini heat waves coming and going for the last 2 weeks. So it's kind of bright, at least for us. It's a little bit hot. It's too cold for us, too hot. I feel like we're always complaining on these videos about the weather, huh, Osmar? We're just always complaining. So here's the lip, guys. So we're about to install it. I'll show you like a quick test fitment of how it's gonna be before we actually mount it. But I'll just put it on the floor. So this is the lip, just got painted. It's gonna look pretty nice. He used to have it on before, but it wasn't painted. or it was painted, but hey, shout out to the model Osmar. He had painted it, but it was just like rattle can painted. So whenever anything would hit it, it honestly would just chip off. It wasn't professionally done. This one was shot good. So this one should be a lot more durable. It's honestly a really good fitted lip. Now that we put it on for the test fit, I'll show you guys real quick. So, sorry, his lights are on, so it's kind of bright, but that's the car with the lip. Pretty much we're just gonna be putting some tap screws in just to kind of hold it into place. And then after that, we'll take a look and make sure everything is properly aligned, and then we should be good. Other than that, we got a few more things planned out for today, so we're gonna see how it goes. Probably gonna go shooting the cars. You guys haven't seen my car pretty much since like the first video we uploaded. A few new things have been happening onto the car. If you guys follow us on IG, you guys already know, but if not, there have been some things that got done to my car yesterday as well. We installed some more parts, so we'll get to that in a bit.
So I don't know if we mentioned this before, but we live in the South Bay, which is literally like 5 minutes away from Palos Verdes. And it's just such a beautiful drive over here. Look at these canyons.
Fix your brightness on your screen.
What do you mean my brightness on the screen?
This little wheel right here.
Like I said, I'm new to the camera, and my buddy over here, hey, thank you buddy, thank you buddy, is teaching me better tips and tricks to have better lighting and etc, etc. I think it looks a little bit better, a lot better. Thank you buddy. Out to PV to this look point over here.